Hey guys, welcome back for another HIIT workout. We just did 10 minutes again, really quick, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and this one's a good one. Do not want to miss it.
So our first exercise is going to be squat jumps, and you're going to touch diagonally down either side when you go down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Magician with words, so she is.
Yeah, right. If you're ready, go.
So it's 30 seconds on, and we're taking 10 seconds rest.
And break.
Oh, good. Next up, we're starting off as far back as you can. We're going to go down, walking out to a plank, and then a press up.
No,
Plank,
it's a
plank
jump.
jacks,
Yeah.
and then back up.
And
Yeah,
go.
so walking out, and then feet out, and then walking back up. Down, out, in, and then back up. Down, out, in, and back up. Try and get down to a nice flat body. In, and then back up.
Oh, I know. Well, that's it.
Oh, good.
Break.
Next up,
Lunge
we're doing lunge jumps, so jump in between each leg.
Ready, go.
Jump. Oh, this is killer. Jesus.
So how many rounds are we doing?
So we're doing 5 exercises, doing it 2 times, and then we've got 4 bonus exercises just to make you hate us.
My legs are burning. Whew.
So keep it going, guys. Keep it going. Come on. Is that it? Next up, we're doing tricep press ups, so elbows in tight, pressing up. And there you go. Those elbows in nice and tight.
Oh, I'm dropping to my knees.
Yeah, if it's too hard, guys, just drop to your knees.
Oh, I've got a really bad wrist, but oh, it's too sore to get my knuckles. And that's it.
Oh, good job. Oh,
Right,
come
next.
on. Whoa! That's the door. Trying to get involved in HIIT workout. What's the next, Jim?
Next, we have side runs.
Hey, running.
So we're going to run to the side,
Alternate
and
sides.
touch the ground. Ready? Go. And that's a break. I think that's going to knock your time a little bit.
Oh well. Nice and easy.
Next one.
Back to the running and it's not.
No, it's not. It's lateral
Back
squat
to
jumps.
squat jumps and touching the ground.
Oh, my legs are sore.
Keep it going. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And that's it.
Oh. Next up, you can walk it to plank, and a wee jumping jack.
Okay,
Just
and
go
go.
Walking out. One, two. And back up. that bum nice and flat. I know I'm not doing it. But I'm a terrible role model.
Alright, and that's it.
Oh god. Good, next up. Doing lunge jumps.
Oh.
Why did you pick lunge jumps?
I don't know.
Come on.
Ready? Go. Just think this is the last time we're doing it.
Yeah. Only more fun stuff to come.
If it is too difficult, you can always drop down to
just kind of
stepping lunge.
Yeah.
It was how we both used the excuse there to do it.
I was demonstrating.
Right.
You were skiving. Next up, tricep press ups.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go, leg up.
Tough. And that's it.
Right. Side ones again.
Ready to go?
Yeah. Alright.
Go.
Touch, run, 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 run. Touch, run, 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 run. Touch, run, 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 run. Touch. Keep up. Put my head up your bum.
Please no.
Fast, fast, fast. Fast feet, fast feet, fast feet. Let's go.
And that's you.
Fuck.
So now, that's where the fun begins.
It's a fun part. Start off. Sprinting on the spot, high knees.
Get ready.
30 seconds of fast feet.
Let's go.
Fast feet, fast feet, fast feet. 30 seconds, guys. Keep going, keep going. Keep on your toes. This is the afterburner, guys.
That's it.
This is where it works out. Large pounding. Next up, doing press ups. Just straight press ups either on your knees or on your feet.
And go.
And don't get up just yet. Doing a plank on your hands, or if you've got something soft, do it on your elbows.
Alright, let's
And
go.
then up and down from your hands. So we're just holding this position here.
I'm going to hold mine here.
Really feeling it in my shoulders. And more. 2 more to go. This is the second last one. Feel the burn.
We could be getting some mats.
Yeah. Please.
And that's it.
Oh, good. And another classic finisher from H2H. Doing burpees, 40 seconds.
Oh, right.
Because I hate myself. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready when you are.
Okay. Ready? Let's
Yeah.
go.
Here we go. And up. Gonna get in at least 10, guys.
Oh.
40 seconds. There's 4 seconds. 1, 5, 6, 7, 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Last one. 10. Woo!
Well done.
Well done, guys. You say it.
Okay. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let us know. We're going to try and do them more often. Let us know if you like the intervals. If you want, maybe not more rest time, but maybe some will come in more rest time. We'll see. But yeah, please subscribe to our channel.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Like the video.
And we'll see you later on.
And we'll see you
See you
later.
next time.
Thank you.